Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make money with Viewmax.io and build different income streams online. Now, before we start, here's something very important that you need to understand. Viewmax.io itself does not directly pay you like YouTube or TikTok. Instead, Viewmax.io is an AI-powered content creation platform that can help you produce videos much faster, and then you can monetize those videos through other platforms, affiliate marketing, digital products, freelance services, sponsorships, and other online business models. Viewmax.io includes different AI tools for script writing, voiceovers, video generation, image generation, captions, video editing, and more. So instead of spending hours creating every part of a video manually, you can use these tools to speed up your workflow. So by the end of this video, I'll show you several realistic ways you can use Viewmax.io to potentially generate income online. Let's get started. First, let's understand what Viewmax.io actually does. Viewmax.io is an all-in-one AI-powered content creation platform that can help creators produce short-form and other types of video content. So, let's open the Viewmax.io website and go to the Tools section. Here you'll find different tools that can help you with your content creation process. For example, you may find an AI script writer, AI voice generator, AI video generator, AI image generator, auto captions, caption related tools, video downloader, templates, and other AI powered features. The exact tools and availability can depend on the platform version and your subscription plan, so always check the current features available in your account. The main advantage is that you can combine these tools into one workflow. For example, you can start with an idea, generate a script, create or collect visuals, generate a voiceover, add captions, edit everything together, and then export your final video. And this brings us to the first and probably one of the most popular ways to make money using Viewmax.io. That is YouTube Shorts. If you want to create a faceless YouTube channel, AI tools can make the production process much easier. For example, you could create a channel around technology, interesting facts, motivation, finance, travel, fitness, education, artificial intelligence, or another topic that people are interested in. The first step is to choose your niche. Don't simply create random videos about completely unrelated topics. Try to choose one main subject so your audience knows what kind of content they can expect from your channel. Once you've selected your niche, you can use the AI script writer inside Viewmax.io. Next, you need visuals. You can use Viewmax.io's AI video generator to create video footage based on descriptions, or you can use your own footage and images. You can also use the AI image generator if you need specific images for your video. After that, you need narration. If you don't want to record your own voice, you can use the AI voice generator. Once you have your voiceover and visuals, bring everything into the video editor. Arrange your clips, add your narration, adjust the timing, add background music if appropriate, and then use auto captions to generate subtitles. Once the video is complete, export it and upload it to YouTube Shorts. Now, here's an important point. YouTube is the platform that can pay eligible creators. Viewmax.io is simply helping you create the content. Your channel needs to meet YouTube's current eligibility requirements for monetization, and you also need to follow YouTube's policies. So don't think that simply generating hundreds of AI videos automatically means you'll make money. The content still needs to provide value, follow platform rules, and give viewers a reason to watch. You can also combine shorts with longer YouTube videos. Shorts can help you reach new viewers, while longer videos can give you additional opportunities to build an audience and generate revenue. Now let's move to the second method, which is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing can be a very interesting income stream because you don't necessarily need to create your own product. Instead, you recommend products or services that are relevant to your audience. For example, If your channel is about artificial intelligence, you could create videos about AI software and recommend useful tools through affiliate programs. If you're creating content about business, you could promote website builders, productivity tools, online courses, or other relevant services. The basic idea is simple. You create useful content, attract viewers, and then provide an affiliate link where appropriate. If someone purchases a product through your eligible affiliate link, you may receive a commission according to the affiliate program's terms. And this is where Viewmax.io can help. You can use the script writer to create your content, the voiceover tool to create narration, the image or video generator to create visuals, and the editor to put everything together. So instead of spending hours producing one video, you can potentially create your content workflow much faster. And one more thing, don't forget about the cost. Viewmax.io may have different subscription plans, usage limits, credits, or feature restrictions depending on the plan you're using. Before paying for a subscription, check the current pricing and determine whether the tools actually make sense for your workflow. If you're just starting, don't spend a lot of money before you know what you're doing. Start small, learn the platform, create some content, and see whether the workflow works for you. Also remember that making money online is not guaranteed. Viewmax.io isn't a get-rich-quick platform. It can help you create content faster, but you still need a good strategy, consistency, creativity, and patience. The people who succeed usually focus on building something valuable rather than simply trying to produce as many videos as possible. The biggest advantage of Viewmax.io is that it can bring multiple parts of the content creation process into one workflow. You can go from an idea to a script, from a script to narration, from narration to visuals, from visuals to an edited video, and finally to a finished piece of content. But remember, the tool is only one part of the equation. Your niche, content quality, consistency, audience, and business strategy are what ultimately determine whether you can turn that content into income. So, if you're interested in faceless content creation, freelancing, affiliate marketing, or building social media pages, Viewmax.io can be a useful tool to explore. Start with one strategy instead of trying everything at the same time. Choose one niche, create consistently, study your results, improve your videos, and gradually add new income streams as your audience grows. Remember, Viewmax.io doesn't pay you directly for simply using the platform. The goal is to use the tools to create valuable content and then monetize that content through platforms. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel.